Okay, dividing algebraic fractions. So start with a simple one here. 4 over x divided by 3 over y. And exactly the same rule as when we've got numerical fractions is the fraction you are dividing by, turn upside down and multiply. So that now becomes 4 over x multiplied by y over 3. Now check for if we can cancel on the top and bottom, and then once we see we can't, just multiply the top and multiply the bottom. So 4y over 3x. Second example, 8x to the power 4 over 3y to the power 4 divided by 10x squared over 9y. So the fraction we are dividing by, turn upside down and multiply. Here we have it, and then we can say, oh, can we cancel this? Let's see. We've got 10 and 8 are both divisible by 2. X to the power 4x squared both divisible by x squared. 3 and 9 both divisible by 3. And then y and y to the power 4 both divisible by y. So simplify all that now, multiply together, and we have 12x squared over 5y cubed. More complicated examples, we need to perhaps factorise as well. So you can either factorise it, then turn the second fraction upside down and multiply, or turn it upside and multiply first. And with this one we can see that you can factorise x cubed plus 5x squared. We now have a common factor of x plus 5 on the top and bottom, and we have 10 and 6 which are both even, so we can divide them both by 2. That leaves with 5 on the top and 3x squared on the denominator. And again, this is another example where you could just factorise it first, or turn up the second upside and multiply it and then do the factorising. I've gone for the factorising first, top and bottom there, and you can probably see already, but in the first fraction that can be simplified straight away because they've both got a common factor of x minus 1, but I'm going to leave that until I come to my multiplying. So I turn the second one upside down and multiply, and now I've got plenty of to all factorise so I can see which ones to remove. So we've got x plus 5 in both of them. There's the x minus 1s that were in the same one, and then we also have x plus 3. So all that's left is x plus 4 on the numerator and x plus 7 on the denominator. And there we go. In its simplest form, that cannot be simplified anymore. Remember, there are no common factors with x plus 4 and x plus 7. If there's any doubt, substitute different values for x. When x is 0, you get 4/7, but when x is 1, you get 5/8. They are not the same, so therefore you cannot simplify that anymore.